Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the CSR 2 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. In order to install any Android game on your PC, you will need to install an Android emulator first. So in order to do this, open up your web browser and then visit any Android emulator website. For example, BlueStacks.com. After going into the website, you will find the download button right at the homepage. Simply click on it and this will begin the download of the installer. You can then open up the downloaded file and simply click through the next buttons and this will install the emulator on your device. Once it is installed, you can simply open it up and you can access your Android home screen. From there, click on the Play Store and open it up. And now you will need to sign in to your Google account if you're opening it up for the first time. Then simply tap on the search box and then type in CSR2. Once you find the game, you can simply tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the CSR2 game on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and then when you see the play button, you can simply tap on it to open it up. And now you can immediately start playing the CSR2 game on your PC. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the CSR2 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.